Hey guys, let's go for a long trade analysis. I'm going to do that on multiple crypto. Not sure how many, maybe 10 or more. So bear with me, it's going to be interesting. You will understand a bit better how to use the Ichimoku. And at the same time, you will know what's going on with your favorite token. Alright, so let me remove this sticker to start with. We're going to start with Bitcoin. I'm not going to do a full analysis of Bitcoin. This is only on the first day of the week and on maybe tomorrow. I do maybe one, not quite sure yet. But I will at least look into Bitcoin USD. And so quickly I want to see if I can spot any trend line. Any new trend line that could be interesting here. So I'm gonna test it at some places. See something. Yeah, that's one is interesting. Do I have one here? No. Okay, I turn on the Ichimoku now. Up. I'm on a daily, so I use log. Yeah. Okay. Otherwise all my trend line not gonna match. See, if I click log, much better. Yeah, it's exactly where it should be. Yeah, if I don't click on log, I'm done here. So use log when you are on a higher time frame, especially above, let's say from 4 hours. Starting 4 hours, use log always. As per now, I can see that on the daily we went down. We are flying, kind of flying, but a bit under the top 10 can, which means we have potentially a pullback at the moment and could go down to the Kijun. If I look at the lagging also shows me that yeah, it doesn't show me that it's going bearish though, because it's going up at the moment, and I have like nearby anyway, I've got like some good big resistance here. See, through the SSB here, it's going to be a massive resistance. So if we keep going on the pullback, that's what could happen. At the same time, you can see that we got a forming big massive white candle. It's gonna be a green candle on your screen, so it's a bullish candle. There is more buys than sells, that's what it is. But the day is not over, so we still have what, like yeah, a couple hours, less than 10 hours before we know what will be this candle at the end of the day. So this completed candle will tell us. I hope it stays like this, even a bit above. Sadly, yeah, no, actually it's good because we went above this previous candle, yeah, above the doji candle of yesterday. So yeah, it seems like actually the pullback is over and we are going into a run now. But I'm going to look into a 4 hours time frame and see what's going on. Yeah, okay. We almost get out the cloud from the bottom, but finally we stick into it and back right here. So it's possible that we range for a while here. Let's see the extremity of the cloud. It's not ranging here from what we can see because it's not super large and flat. It's not ranging yet, but we still have space here to go, and that would take us until Sunday, I guess. Let me check. 21. Yeah, until Saturday, sorry. So you need something to happen, and hopefully I want us to be way above here, because we got this twist and the twist can drag us into it. So if we still under, well, that could be, we should get out from here, from this extremity on the Sunday. That should take us out just because of this twist. From the lagging though, what we can see at the moment, okay, it crossed in between here, and yeah, it's kind of like 3 doji candles, so it's why it crossed inside easily. Now the best it can do is to not go back into it, because we still have this Kijun that's going to be a resistance for Bitcoin. So it has to go above, break through the Kijun and go all the way above here, and maybe break this trend line. I don't think it will, but it could. You see the trend line worked here. It's been tested here. So maybe, but at least it's easier for the lagging to get above. So yeah. So it seems like, yeah, we have the end of our pullback, and if you can see, here we were done. So we were on a run, pullback, and that's look quite different than the rest. So it seems like we are back into it. At least we are flying now on the Kijun, which didn't happen since a while. We are clearly inside it, so we should reverse all the tendency and keep going up and up and up. For the resistance on the price here, it's gonna be around here. We're gonna have 47k. The 47k is one of the resistance. We need to break through it today or tomorrow to keep on our run, on our bullish trend. And on the 4 hours, let me see from the bottom quickly here. Actually, on the daily, I got this Kijun that's still a resistance, 41,500. And I have this one also here just before as a price support at 44,200, 44,200. So that's what we can see so far. It's interesting to know that, because if we go on a bullish trend now with our Bitcoins, then it means other altcoins will do the same, most of them, except those who don't really react with that, such as ADA, for example. So let's do ADA now. ADA, it looks kind of the same, you can see here, but sometimes ADA doesn't react the same. Especially starting next month, they're going from the news. They're going to really have their blockchain ready to deploy DAPP, so it's going to boost the price, and many people talk already about $3. So that's interesting. You see on my daily, I already have some trend line already traced. I can see here we had a proper resistance here, so I would expect this one to act as a resistance on our run at the moment. We want to keep pushing. We are above anyway, so the next candle tomorrow will tell us if we keep the run or not. If we are above, then we keep on the run, otherwise we are on a pullback again. But at the moment, seems pretty cool, because yeah, it seems like we have a run. Let's look at what we see with the, you see our SSA is going up, our lagging is above all our candle, and only resistance is here at $2.47 at the moment. So I would expect to go touch this $2.50 soon, and maybe even break above if Bitcoin goes well. Let me go on a 4 hours time frame. Still above everything. You see we crossed here through the doji candle, and then we finally gone back out here. So now we stuck between all these candles, are going to create some support and resistance from the bottom, and we have this resistance here. If it's well traced, this one should already act as a resistance. So if our lagging try to go down again to pull back, then it's going to block here, and we will be testing the resistance. I hope we get above this one, this resistance here, and that will take us all the way up with our current candle. But it's a massive candle for today. There's a lot of volume, I guess, so I'm not sure we can increase this anymore. 180 million, okay, and yesterday was 51, so we got almost 4 times more transaction today. That's a good sign, good for a Thursday. I hope Friday is gonna be the same, and so we close this week with a nice bullish trend for the end of the week. Okay, we go as per the cloud. By the way, we see we had some support here from the cloud, so we can expect to have more support if things doesn't go well. But at the moment, we got our Tenkan that's crossing over our Kijun. We got support, very close support from our candle, so it should keep going bullish here. That's interesting. ERGO. Let's go on the daily. Why? Nothing to see on the daily. We just got the cloud forming because this is pretty new. It went high. So we got some support or not? Yes, sort of. Let me check some trend line here. This one and this one works. Yes, it works. This one's not gonna work and not gonna work. This could be one. Maybe this here to here. Yeah, I'm not even sure. Better not have too many trend line anywhere on your screen, guys. So you see we are flying on the Kijun now. We are right on it. So that should take us some support. When we get inside, when we were far away, okay, a Kijun, and we get back into it, that creates some activity. Okay, it creates what we call excitement. We know that the psychology of people behind they are excited. So at the moment we are in a clear excitement area, so people should be more and more into it. Should be buying even more right now. So we should get away our cloud more and more and keep sliding this trend line at least as a support. So we could expect within next week to be around $12 easily. So that's what I can see from that. If we don't, then it means we get down here, we break down again our cloud, then we got support from the SSB, especially here, which is until the 20th of August, 12 p.m. for New York time. Then here we got no support, so we could cross in between and get lower. But if we pass all of this area and then we get up to the 22nd of August, on this Sunday, then we should have again some support from the SSB here. So that's what we expect to do, and it seems like it's going to go like this. You can look at some other pullback we had here. I call it a run. It's a run now. It's a run. It was bearish and it started to look like we're going to go bullish for a while now. So I think this actually this trend line is working. I can't remember what ERGO is doing. I guess it's like maybe their own blockchain. I'm not quite sure exactly, but it seems to be strong. You see our lagging is above the candle. Of course it get inside here because it easily, because 3 doji candle here as well, so it break inside our Kijun, but still now it's above. So what's the easy way now? It's to go above, all the way above. So you see, if we really go all the way above, we'd go at $13, but I expect that we break through this head, because the head is quite long, so we should break through maybe $12.49, somewhere like this. So if I was taking if I was entering this one, I would enter here at $12. I will exit at $12.40 for a long trend. And if I'm going lower than what we had here, so 11.30, I take first step at exit at 10.86, and then worst case scenario, a short down to $10.43. So that's it. I don't think you can see. What do we see in a 1 hour time frame if you want? Yeah. Got this one that's gonna be a support. We are above it. So we got support from here for our SSB here. Yeah, it should keep going bullish. So that's good. Actually, I'm quite tired, guys. So I do a last one and I stop, because I've been working all day, plus I'm doing these old videos for free. So please like and subscribe and comment. It's taking a lot of time. I trade also myself every day, and I produce music, and I have also a business down in Australia with a security electronic system, etc. So it's kind of it's a busy day. So I'm tired. I'm gonna go XRP. Wow. Okay, I'm not sure if it's a good example, but since we are on the high already, so we want to buy deep. Maybe it's time to short. I don't know. Let's look at it. Okay, I look at it for you. Okay. No, as a daily, I can clearly see that we have a run, forming run. So that should not stop yet. We are finally. We touch a bit our 10 can, but that's not a big deal. I'd like to see though my Kijun going up, and there is a bit of some angle here on our SSA also, but it's not clear, not anymore. I think it was clearer earlier today. For my lagging, it has been testing my SSB, and it looks like we are rejected. So the resistance worked out for our lagging. So I think we keep up. On that case, we got the first resistance at exactly the SSB here, 131. Let's say 130 to be safe. And then what I can see clearly here, that's the next resistance after the 131, that's 143, 142, let's say. So yeah, there is some margin. There's a lot of margin, yeah. We're far away from the cloud, from the twist, so we don't care. This one, ignore it. Let me see on the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, clearly we had a pullback here, and it's over. See, from here to here. Oh, it's 7, yeah. So now we are on a run. So that's good. You can be confident with this one. XRP is easy money. Yeah, I can see. And you see, I've got the lagging that could stuck into the 10 can, but I don't think it's gonna be a big matter. Yeah, the 10 can gonna be break, and we got so many doji candle here. It's so easy for the lagging to get above it. So that looks pretty good. This one. Yeah, I might actually. I'm not on it. Maybe it's not too late. Still have a lot of time. It's good. We break above this our Kijun, so it's time to go into it. So yeah, I'm gonna make an order for this one. But yeah, hey guys, you take care. I think I'm gonna stop here. I start to be very tired. I wish you good night. You ask me any coin that you want me to analyze tomorrow or later this week, and otherwise I meet you again on tomorrow for a couple trade analysis, and probably a big one for Bitcoin on Saturday, or maybe I wait Monday. I'm not quite sure, but I want to do Ethereum as well very soon. So we meet soon, guys. You take care, like and comment. Bye bye.